Hello everyone, I'm Nicholas, and today I will talk about thermal regulations in animals. Imagine standing in the desert or hiking in the desert. How does your body keep you alive? That is thermal regulation. And thermal regulation is essential for survival. Muscle function and brain activity all depends on a stable internal temperature. Without it, basic life process would collapse. In this mini lecture, we will explore the difference between ectotherms and endotherms, the main mechanism of thermal regulation, real-world adaptation in animals that thrive in extreme climates. And here is the key. And the key concept of there are two key concepts, which is ectotherms depends on external temperatures. They are cold-blooded animals like snakes and frogs. They warm up by basking in the sun and cool down by hiding in the shade. Endotherms regulate temperatures internally, like humans and birds. They use energy to maintain a constant body temperature, even in the cold. Here is the scientific basis. The endotherms have higher metabolic rates per cell, and which allows them to produce heat. And here is the table, and you can see the difference between ectotherms and endotherms. Okay, and now that we have seen the difference in temperature strategy, let's look at how animals actually do it. There are three categories of thermal regulation mechanisms. First, we will talk about behavioral adjustment. Animals change posture, location, or group behavior. For example, lizards bask on rocks and penguins huddle for warmth. Second, we will talk about physiological response. First, vasodilation, which blood vessels widen to release heat. Thin red checks when hot, and on the other hand, vasoconstriction, vessels narrow to conserve heat. At the end, we will talk about anatomical adaptation, like fur, feathers, and fat. The surface area to volume ratio. Desert foxes have, for example, large ears to dissipate heat. Polar bears have contact to retain it. In conclusion, the mechanisms work across animals, but some animals take it to the extreme. Let's explore a couple of cases. Take camel for example. It can allow body temperature to rise during the day and drop at night, and it can also store fat in humps, not across the body, to avoid insulation. And it can survive water loss of over 25% of body weight. Take another example, the Arctic fox. It has small ears, thick fur, and raw body minimize heat loss. It has seasonal coat color change helps with heat absorption. To summary, there are some key takeaways. Thermal regulation is vital for homeostasis and survival. Ectotherms rely on external heat. Endotherms regulate from within. Animals use behavioral, physiological, and anatomical adaptation to handle heat and cold. And think about it, if you were designing an animal for life on Mars, what thermological adaptation would it need?
Mars is hot, right? So just like camels.
Yeah, okay. Okay, yeah.